Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Show. Today we're doing another red ink from Sailor Monyo Umi. Thanks go out to Gary and Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. Here is our comparison panel. It's like a dark red-ish color. Here's our ink swatch that will go to inkswatch.com later on today. It's like a red with some yellowish green sheen. Here is our ink splotch. I did a different technique. Excuse me. And this time I put the ink down and then I sprayed the bottle of water and it splattered all over the place. It looks really cool. And here's our toilet paper chromatography. I see like a brownish, brickish red, and then like a normalish red, and then like a orangish red, and then like a very tiny hint of yellow around the edge. So that's really cool. Alright, let's do some paper. Today is January 3rd, 2022, and today is day 3 of 2022. Today's pen is the Noodler's Conrad with a Yovo 14 karat full flex nib. The Sailor Manyo Umi. The sun came up at 6:56 and will depart at 4:54. It's like double palindrome. That's very strange. It was 62 degrees and sunny with a low of 42 today. Oh, it's cold last night. Today's question of the day: what's the most sensible thing you've heard someone say? Today's quote of the day is, once you bring life into the world, you must protect it. We must protect it by changing the world. Today's inky prompt of the day is, make a list of the people that make you feel good to be around. And today's birthdays go out to Franklin and Chris. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. Okay, let's do some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear memo book from Walmart.com. It does look like it's feathering into the page, and it did bleed through. I would not use the backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Rhodia dot pad, 80 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Fabriano Icocqua, 85 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Ayush, 100 GSM heavyweight paper. I can't tell if it feathered or bled or both. But it did not bleed through. I would totally use the backside of this paper. I have to be more careful with my writings. Anyway, this is the Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. Feathered like a chicken. That bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Nemesine, 80 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine, 90 GSM. No feathering, No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. It does look like it's trying to come through, but I think it's just really in-depth in the paper. So, Lamy booklet, 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering. Bleeding, a little bit of ghosting. I might not use the backside of this paper. Unison composition book. From Target, for 50 cents. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Oxford college roll paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. CVS caliber notebook paper. It does look like it's trying to feather into the page. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead wide ruled notebook paper. Feathered like a chicken. Bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. HP premium 32-pound copy paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Alright, let's do a comparison panel. Now, I am not exactly sure where this is going to lie, so we're going to go over a lot of inks. So, hope you have a nice coffee. Here we go. This is Diamond Raspberry Rose. Diamond All the Best. Sailor Manyo Yamabudo. No, I'm sorry. Iroshizuku Yamabudo. Boy. Diamond Deep Magenta. Private Reserve Plum. Noodler's Cactus for Eel. King Philip Requiem. Alexa Stop. Roaring Klinger Sulfurino. Let's go through some reds to see. Okay, this is Black Swan and English Roses. Pearpins Codwalder. Colorverse Dark Energy. Diamond Little Tam. Colorverse Hubble Zoom. Diamond Oxblood. Malta Verde Cherry Danish. Malta Verde Passion Burgundy. KWZ Red No. 1. Ferris Wheel Press Royal Rhubarb. Malta Verde Blueberry Muffin. Caveco Ruby Red. Diatramentus Document Dark Red. Let's see if there's any others in that dark red department. KWZ Thief's Red. And that looks like all of the reds. Oh, Robert Oster, Asterkiza Rot, and Diamond Deep Dark Red. Okay, let's take a look at some purples, because I think it might lean into like the reddish purple. Okay, I lied. It's not purple. The only one that I could think of, let me see. Diamond Little Bob. That's the only one that I can think of that even comes close to this one. Oh, maybe Diamond Violet. Yep. That's it. Wow. I'll take a quick look through my browns. I mean, this might be considered like a reddish brown. Monteverde brown sugar, no. Robert Oster hippo purple. Noodler's beaver. Noodler's red black. There's one more that I thought it might be, but I can't seem to find it. Okay. Okay. What did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a dark red? Leaning towards kind of a brownish red? Maybe even a purpley pinkish red? Dark pink. Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So take care until then. Okay, love you, bye.